As we observe the one-year anniversary of the April 17th tragedy on our campus, we remember those who were lost, those who were injured, and the families whose lives were forever changed. We continue to hold all of you close in our hearts. We stand with everyone who carries the weight of that day, and we remain committed to supporting you. I'm deeply grateful to the FSU Police Department and our partner agencies who responded on that day without hesitation, as well as the first responders, medical teams, and counselors who provided critical care and services. Their courage and professionalism represent the best of our community. In the days that followed, our students, faculty, staff showed extraordinary strength, compassion, and resilience. I'm proud of how we came together and how we continue to care for one another. That spirit defines who we are as an FSU family. I invite you to join us in a moment of silence, wherever you may be, at noon, April 17th. For those on campus, the FSU Student Government Association will host a space for reflection on the Legacy Walk from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Flowers will be available near the FSU letters, along with opportunities to share messages of hope. The unconquered statue will be lit throughout the day as a symbol of remembrance and resilience. Thank you for your kindness you continue to show each other as we remember and honor this day.